Hey everyone, today we're diving into an important question many homeowners ask. When does it actually make financial sense to sell a home you've already paid off? If you haven't seen me before, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Realty, your go-to real estate agent here in Central Oregon. Thinking of selling, buying, or investing? I'm happy to have a conversation. You'll find my details below. But for now, let's get into it clear and simple. First up, market conditions. The real estate market can be a roller coaster, but if you're seeing homes in your area sell for premium prices, it might be the perfect time to cash in. Keeping an eye on local trends and future forecasts can help you choose a sell high moment. Now, let's talk life changes. Maybe you're empty nesters looking to downsize, or perhaps a new job requires moving to a new city. Significant life events often signal the right time to consider selling, especially when your current home no longer fits your lifestyle. Financial goals play a huge role too. Selling a paid-off home can free up a substantial amount of money. Think about what you could do with that equity. Invest in another property, boost your retirement savings, or maybe fund a dream project. If selling helps advance your financial plans, it could be a wise move. Consider the cost of living where you live versus where you want to be. Sometimes selling your home in a high-cost area to move somewhere more affordable can significantly improve your financial health and quality of life. Lastly, don't forget about maintenance and utility costs. A larger, older home can be expensive to keep up. If these costs are cutting into your savings, selling could provide a more manageable lifestyle financially and physically. Selling your paid-off home is a big decision with lots of factors to consider. But if the market's right, your life is pointing in a new direction, and your financial goals align, it could be the perfect opportunity to make a move that benefits you and your wallet. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring your options and make the choice that's right for you. Catch you in the next video for more tips on navigating your home and financial decisions with ease. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Realty.